The Y chromosome, the very essence of maleness, is shrinking. This tiny piece of genetic material which determines male characteristics is losing its integrity over generations. This is not the stuff of science fiction. It's a phenomenon that has been observed and documented by geneticists around the world. This is a scientific reality. The degradation of the Y chromosome is a process that has been ongoing for millions of years. Studies show that the Y chromosome, passed down from father to son, is steadily losing genetic material. Each generation sees a slight but significant reduction in its size and functionality. It faces a very real possibility: extinction. If this trend continues, the Y chromosome could disappear entirely in a few million years.
What does this mean for the future of men? Could we be looking at a world without males? Is this the beginning of the end for males? The implications of such a scenario are vast and complex.
The implications are profound. The loss of the Y chromosome could lead to significant changes in human reproduction and genetic diversity. We are on the brink of a genetic crisis, one that could alter the course of human evolution, a crisis that could reshape humanity as we know it. The potential disappearance of the Y chromosome forces us to rethink our understanding of genetics and evolution. The disappearance of the Y chromosome raises fundamental questions about male health, fertility, and ultimately, the survival of our species. The clock is ticking, and the scientific community is racing against time to find solutions. The Y chromosome is one of the two sex chromosomes in humans, the other being the X chromosome. Females have two X chromosomes, while males have one X and one Y chromosome. This fundamental difference is what determines sex.
The Y chromosome carries the master switch gene, the SRY gene, which triggers the development of male characteristics in the womb. The Y chromosome doesn't just determine if you'll be born male or female. It also plays a vital role in other areas, including sperm production. Without a healthy Y chromosome, men face a multitude of problems, including infertility, even certain types of cancer.
Over millions of years of evolution, the Y chromosome has shrunk dramatically. This process has been ongoing for a very long time, and the changes are quite significant when we look at the evolutionary timeline. It now contains far fewer genes than its counterpart, the X chromosome. How can this be? The X chromosome, in contrast, has retained a much larger number of genes, making it more robust in terms of genetic information.
The Y chromosome, unlike other chromosomes which exist in pairs, is a loner. This solitary existence makes it unique among the chromosomes in our genetic makeup. It only has one copy. This single copy nature means it doesn't have a backup to rely on. This means that harmful gene mutations on the Y chromosome cannot be easily repaired or replaced like they are on other chromosomes. Other chromosomes can undergo recombination, a process that helps fix mutations. This lack of genetic recombination makes the Y chromosome susceptible to degradation over time. Without the ability to recombine, it cannot easily correct errors that occur. Imagine a book constantly being copied with no way to correct errors. Over time, the copies become less accurate and important information is lost. Eventually, crucial information is lost. This gradual loss of information can have significant impacts on genetic health and function. This is the genetic paradox of the Y chromosome. Its uniqueness is both its strength and its weakness. While it defines male characteristics, its solitary nature makes it vulnerable.
Section 4. The health time bomb ticking away. The shrinking Y chromosome has significant health implications for men.
One of the most alarming consequences is a decline in sperm count. Studies have shown a worrying trend of decreasing sperm counts in men worldwide, linked to Y chromosome deletions.
This decline in male fertility could have profound social and demographic consequences. But the problems don't end there.
Deletions on the Y chromosome are also associated with an increased risk of certain cancers, heart disease, and other health issues. The Y chromosome, once considered a symbol of masculinity and strength, is now recognized as a potential source of vulnerability.
Section 5. Can men survive without the Y? The million-dollar question is, can men survive without the Y chromosome?
The answer is complex. In some species, like certain rodents, the Y chromosome has already disappeared entirely. These species have evolved alternative ways to determine sex and ensure their survival.
However, human evolution is a complex and lengthy process. While it's theoretically possible for humans to evolve alternative sex-determining mechanisms, it's not something that will happen overnight.
The disappearance of the Y chromosome poses a serious challenge to the long-term survival of men.
Section 6. Science to the rescue. Hope on the horizon. While the situation might seem dire, there is hope on the horizon.
Scientists are not standing idly by. Cutting-edge research is being conducted to understand the Y chromosome's decline and explore potential solutions.
Gene therapy, for instance, holds promise for correcting genetic defects on the Y chromosome.
Other avenues of research include stem cell therapy and assisted reproductive technologies. These advancements offer a glimmer of hope in the face of a potential genetic crisis.
The scientific community is working tirelessly to mitigate the risks and ensure the future of male health.
Section 7, Our Future, Our Responsibility. The disappearing Y chromosome is not just a scientific curiosity, it's a wake-up call, a signal that we must heed with urgency and dedication.
It's a call to action for more research, greater awareness, and a deeper understanding of men's health. We must invest in scientific studies that delve into the complexities of the Y chromosome, exploring its role in our genetic makeup and its impact on overall health. We need to support scientific endeavors aimed at unraveling the mysteries of the Y chromosome. This includes funding for advanced genetic research, fostering collaborations between scientists, and encouraging innovative approaches to studying this crucial aspect of our biology.
We need to educate ourselves and future generations about the importance of genetic health. The fate of the Y chromosome is intimately intertwined with the future of humanity. By incorporating genetic education into our schools and communities, we can ensure that everyone understands the significance of this issue.
It's a responsibility we all share. By staying informed, supporting scientific research, and advocating for men's health, we can help shape a future where men continue to thrive. Together, we can make a difference, ensuring that the Y chromosome remains a vital part of our genetic heritage for generations to come.